Well, I present to you the integral from 1 to 2 of the function 8x cubed plus 3x squared dx. Alright, now what we're going to do with this is we're going to use essentially the power rule of integrals is how I would best describe it. So this would become 8x to the 4th over 4. This would become 3, so plus 3x cubed over 3. And then, since it's a definite integral, we're going to evaluate it from 1 to 2. Now, in order to evaluate this definite integral, we are going to actually plug in this number. So we're going to put the 2 in here first. We go 8 times 2 to the 4th divided by 4 plus 3 times 2 cubed divided by 3. So we have this. And this is one set, but it's not really done yet. So you have to subtract, actually, and plug in over here. The same thing, only with 1. So it would go 8 times 1 to the 4th over 4 plus, and then 3 times 1 cubed over 3. Alright, and so what does that equal? Well, let's do some math here. What? 2 times 2 is 4. You know what? Let me find a calculator. So the idea here with the power rule up top, actually, just to fully explain that, what you're essentially doing is, if you think about derivatives, what you'd be doing is, the x to the n minus 1, and it'd be times n, right? So that'd be for like a derivative. But in this case, what we're actually doing is the reverse of this, and that's the point of the integral, to reverse the differentiation. So to make sense of that, we would instead be doing the opposite. Where we subtracted 1, we will add 1. Where we times by n, we will divide by n. And actually by n plus 1 to account for that. And so that's where I pulled that number from, or where I pulled these sets up here from. Alright. So 16 times 8. 28 divided by 4. Alright, so that's 32 plus time. So 32 plus 8, because these cancel out. And then we're going to subtract, so that's 40 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. Alright, so altogether we have 40 minus 3. Awesome. 40 minus 3 is 37, maybe? Is that math? I think so. So, ultimately, and I'm just going to scribble this out, it's not actually important other than to explain. Point is, the integral from 1 to 2 of the function 8x cubed plus 3x squared dx equals 37. And there you have it.